Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. So today, if you could tell by the title, I decided to jump on the bandwagon and do one of the I tried someone's stuff tutorial. So I decided to do a natural hair tutorial, and I'm going to do Whitney's from Natural. Was it NAPTURAL85? Yeah, NAPTURAL85, and decided to do one of her Flexi rod sets. So we're going to be using some Flexi rods, and yeah, let's get into it. So I did wash my hair before this, so my hair is washed, and I kind of like, took a little sneak, look to see what she did so I can make sure I have all the stuff ready. And her hair was dry and stretched, so I dried and stretched my hair. So I just put it, just a little blow dryer and put it in little sections just to stretch it out some. So I think we should be good to go. I'm a little nervous about this because my Flexi rods has never turned out good, but we're gonna try. So I think she has all the same color, but I have some blues and some blues, some grays, and some oranges, which are all different sizes. So we're gonna use the bigger ones in the back and the small ones in the front, but I'm going to be watching her on here, so let's get started. The one I'm going to be doing from her is probably my favorite video from her. How to cheat a Flexi rod set easy. Easy. So,
like
yeah.
Any of the links to the left for more.
Okay, let's start. So pretty. Woo, I hope my hair turns out like that. Hi.
We've got sort of a mix of things going on here as I'm testing out different techniques using heat. But I figured this would be an awesome texture to do a Flexi rod set. Much like my perm rod sets,
so pretty.
I get my best results if I'm starting out with dry, stretched hair rather than wet. So today, I'll show you how I cheat my Flexi rod sets.
Cool.
So to get your hair to look similar to mine, you can blow dry. Or
Which I
if
did.
you want a heatless alternative, click the links on screen or in the description box. Oh, and I finally trimmed my ends. Woohoo! So I'm giving myself a side part, and I'm adding a bit more dimension to my hair using temporary hair chalk.
I have
my first impression of this particular hair chalk.
Oh shit. Okay, so I was going to use, I have like this hair chalk spray, but it just every time I've used it, and it's about the same color as the one she's using, but every time I use it, it bleeds on everything, and I don't have time for that type of crap. So I'm just taking all of these twists out. Okay, so she parted her hair, so I'm gonna part mine in my usual spot, which is right about here. So I want my curls to come over like this. Okay, let's continue.
But the second day color is the best. So I'm applying it before I roll my Flexi rods. That way I'll get the color I'm looking for as my hair is setting. Now I split my hair into smaller sections to keep myself organized. So you're gonna need your Flexi rods, some gel, and a pomade. I'm using my DIY flax gel and...
Okay, I don't have either one of the things that she's using. So what I'm going to use is my Kinky curling custard gel. I'm going to use this, and for a cream I'm going to use my beat up bottle of Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Curl and Style Milk, because who really has all the stuff that people use in the tutorials anyway? This is a true tutorial. True. Okay, so we have our sections down here. I'm going to start wherever she's starting.
Shea buttercream. So working one section at a time and back to front. I grab a medium-sized section. I'm gonna take some flax gel, which is like extremely thick today. Totally reminds me of Nickelodeon Gak, and work it into the section. Then begin rolling the hair onto the Flexi rod.
Okay.
Now grab another medium-sized section.
Okay, all right. Now I read in the comments that she forgot to edit in using the style milk, so we're gonna take some of this gel, which is not as thick as hers, but it's still like a thick consistency. We're gonna work that in. And she said she used a small amount of the cream on top, so that's what we gonna do. Take some of this cream. Come on, baby, I know you've been in there for Okay, small amount of cream. Let's put some cream on there. Now, I don't know if I should, her sections are about this big, but I don't, every time I use smaller sections, I always get into bits of trouble. So this is the amount I'm going to use. So I have to see how she curled that again.
And repeat. A bit of gel, work it in, then roll the hair onto the flexi rod.
Okay, let's see if I can get this right. Started from the bottom, twisted it around. She rolled, and then did some like this. And then she twisted. Oh, sugar. Okay, she twisted. And then she wrapped it around again, and then she twisted. Am I wrong? Is that what she did? I think that's what she did. It feels right. It just feels right. Okay, so we're going to push this down and then wrap this up, because my hair is not as long as hers, so gotta make sure it stays on. Okay, don't know if I did that right, but we will find out when we unravel this. Okay, let's take the second section. Okay, this one's in the back. Let's play.
Bending the rod down to secure it in place. Now just repeat this process all over the head in medium-sized sections. Just wetting the sections as I go with a bit of flax gel. When I do rod sets like flexi rods or perm rods, I find it easiest for me and my hair texture to start on dry, stretched hair. Because my hair is so springy and curly, it just makes it easier for me to roll the hair, get my roots more sleek. It takes less drying time, and it's 100 times quicker to install.
Okay, now she's doing like a lot of like twisting.
So when all the rods are installed, I just let them air dry as I sleep. So make sure you have a satin pillowcase and head to bed. It's the next morning and it's time to remove the rod. Okay, all right, we're not there yet.
Let's try to get this in, and I'm not gonna sleep in these. I have my handy dandy hair dryer, so I will be sitting under hair dryer because Shorty's not about that life. I'm not sleeping with these things in my head. Shorty's not about that life. I'm not sleeping with these things in my head. Already hurts. Okay. So she goes like this, she twists, and then she... Okay, so she goes from the bottom. Okay, twist it around. Try to twist it underneath. Around. Then over and under. Then over and under. And then twist. Right? And then over. Oh my god. And under. Right? And then down. Not bad. So I'm in the middle of doing this and I just checked my YouTube and we're one away from 1,500. How exciting. How exciting. Okay, let me get back to this because I'm procrastinating like a mother. Woo! Alright, that only took about 20 hours, you know. No biggie, she did this video in 5 minutes. But, okay, so now she... Okay, no, it wasn't really that bad. Really wasn't that bad. It was, you know, a little tedious, but once you get the hang of it, it's not like anything. I was just over here procrastinating and answering text messages and stuff like that. But she's all done. So I'm not sleeping with this because and I don't even want to sit under the dryer, but shorty gotta choose something. So I will be sitting under the dryer. Wish me luck. I'll probably sit under there for maybe an hour and a half until I just can't take it anymore. Hopefully my hair will be dry. Oh my god. Alright, I can't do it anymore. I can't do it. I can't. Woo. 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 Okay. I might look a little different right now. Oof. Can you guys see me? Okay, so I've been under the dryer. I drank this whole bottle of Special Brew, a unique malt beverage with natural flavors and kiwi strawberry. It has 6% alcohol, and I'm a little drunk. So, my hair is as dry as it's gonna get right now. I've been sitting under the dryer for like an hour and a half, and shorty is tired. Okay, so oh, she's taking it out. Let's take them out. Oh, hers are so pretty. Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh no.
I was pretty shocked by how well the curls came out.
Good for you. Good for you, because mine are still wet. Mine are still wet. Ooh, the bottom came out so pretty. Guys, I'm about to sleep in this. As much as I did not want to, I just see the potential. You see the bottom? This looks so pretty. And then the top is just like ugly because it's still kind of wet. Damn it. It's gonna be an uncomfortable night. Okay, so I'm sleeping in this. Whatever, don't judge me. See you guys in the morning. So it's 6:20 in the morning. I went to sleep with these things in my head at like 11. Sorry, my face is poofy. My face is always puffy when I wake up. And I couldn't do it anymore. Like, girl, how did you sleep a whole night? Oh my gosh, I was tossing and turning. I was ready to cry. Let's continue. Oh, okay, so she's already taken them out.
This was by far
Perfect.
my best Flexi rod set to date. I did.
Okay, so she just unraveled them. This is how I slept. I had a little bonnet on, and then I had a scarf underneath it. Mostly I slept like on the back of my head because, girl, whew. Alright, this is how we're looking. I need to take them out right now. Okay, this is the one I took down last night. So let's see how it's looking. Okay. Okay. Am I doing my makeup today or? Ooh. Okay, looking like something. Whitney. Okay, last one. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Ooh, and this one was like the tightest one. Get her out. Okay. This is how we're looking. This is how we're looking. Now, my curls are, I mean, they're definitely curls. They're definitely curly, but they are hard. So, that is probably because I used far too much of the gel. So that is my bad. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some oil, you know, my one and only argan oil stuff, and I'm just gonna try to work it in the curls just to try to loosen them up a bit so they're not as stiff when I try to separate. So I'm gonna do a section at a time. Let's see what she's doing.
I have a bit of pooling at the ends of my hair from the chalk mixing with the gel, but no biggie.
Okay.
So I carefully separate the curls, and I'm making sure to feel where the curl naturally wants to part, so I'm not creating too much frizz. I love how the style turned out. Super soft and bouncy curls, and the hair chalk did an amazing job at adding subtle highlights. I'll definitely be doing this again.
So
I hope you
pretty.
enjoyed, guys, and I hope you give it a try. I'll see you in the next one. Click any of the links to the left.
Well, we are trying. Okay, let me separate all of this and I'll be right back. Okay, so here's how we're looking. Not bad. Now, what I can say is that I used way too much product, so my curls are a lot stiffer. But in this part right here, which was the first section I didn't use that much product, and look how pretty these turned out, like right here. Of course, all the way in the back, right? Let me zoom you guys in. But you see all these flakes, which sucks because I mean it's really not bad. Like for what it is, it's really not bad, but there's a lot of flakes in my hair. So I'm gonna try to get the oil to remove some of them. I'm just gonna work the oil in. Sometimes when you put oil on top of flakes, it kind of, you know, makes them go away. So I'm hoping the oil will help out a bit. Yeah, it's really not bad at all. I kind of really like them. Check my hair out. My hair never curls like this. I think it's because I never let it dry enough because I'm just so damn impatient. Okay, this is the best I'm gonna get for right now. I would, you know, gel this down, gel this up and all that, but I'm probably gonna end up going back to sleep, so I'll do that before I leave. Make sure you follow me on Instagram to see the final look. I think it turned out really pretty. It's just this flaking is just I'm gonna try to figure out what else I can do to try to get some of these flakes out. I know oil is a good way to get it out, but this oil is not doing enough. Maybe I'll go pick up some dry oil or something so I can rock these curls for a little bit. But yeah, thank you so much to Whitney for being really like the pioneer of natural hair. Like she's one of the people who I've been watching for years on her natural hair journey, and God, her hair is beautiful, but she's beautiful also, and I appreciate you, girl. I definitely appreciate you. So yeah, hope you guys liked how this came out. Hope you learned something from my mistakes, my plenty of mistakes I pulled on this video. But yeah, thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.